So what is a language development approach, and what is its purpose? Quite simply, a language development approach, or LDA, is the section of any plan that defines and provides clear examples of the essential components of the programs and practices for multilingual learners. Leadership teams comprised of teachers, coaches, site and district leaders work together to reach consensus on the essential components of quality instruction. Here is an example of a language development approach that fleshes out the components of an LDA that has been used by a number of school districts. Each of these elements is defined by participants, shared with peers for feedback, and supported by classroom vignettes and/or classroom videos. Here, for example, we see two drafts of district teams working together towards creating common definitions of academic discourse. These were created after reading research on the topic, watching classroom videos, and holding group discussions. The act of working together to define and provide high-quality examples of each of these components is an incredibly valuable professional learning experience for all. And here is another sample language development approach that incorporates socio-emotional factors and an emphasis on authentic communication. Leadership teams themselves determine the essential components of a language development approach for their particular context. Drafting, sharing, and revising and implementing a language development approach impacts classroom instruction in multiple ways. It helps to define the types of professional learning that supports district educators. It focuses coaching and classroom observations by putting the spotlight on what students are saying, writing, and doing. It helps district and site educators be better selectors of curriculum that is supportive of their multilingual learners and their strengths. And finally, it provides a clear framework for new teachers on what instruction should look like and how teachers are supported in developing their expertise over time. As district teams work to craft a language development approach, what surfaces is the need for all educators in the system, be they teachers, coaches, or site and district leaders, to develop the core competencies needed to create classrooms that support multilingual learners and all students.